Alright, so I know I haven't been putting out a lot of videos lately because I've been into an early winter blues mood. But tonight for dinner I am making some meatloaf, so I'm going to show you how I make my meatloaf because I don't think I've made a meatloaf recipe yet. In case I didn't, I'm just going to record it anyway. So we're going to cut up a half a pepper. Doesn't matter how you cut your pepper, as long as you de-seed it and de-rib it. Make sure you wash your pepper beforehand. I'm going to eat the rest of that pepper. It's not going to go to waste. What you want to do, make sure I'm in frame, okay? We're just going to take our pepper first and carefully cut this up without hacking up my nails. Dice the pepper, small pieces. Does not have to be fancy schmancy. You want about a half a cup of green pepper. Stuff your face with some. I'm sorry, that's rude. Knives need sharpening again. Peel your onion. Couple slices. You want about a half cup of onions. If you want more, put more in. I'm only using 1 pound of ground beef today for my meatloaf. So throw those in there. Make sure there's no skins in there. Alright, so I'll be right back. So what we're going to do is pre-cook the peppers and onions first. Saute them down. Get the onions a little brown, caramelized up a little bit. Not too much. We just basically want to get all this moisture out of the vegetables. So we'll keep this pan on high. Now I make my meatloaf different just about every single time. If I had stovetop stuffing up in the cabinet, I'd be throwing that in my recipe today. But I don't, so we're just going to use regular panko breadcrumbs and regular breadcrumbs. A little mixture of both. Some barbecue sauce perhaps, an egg, some seasonings, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I never make the same recipe twice most of the time because I'm always tweaking everything. Everything always comes out edible. My family likes it. I'm always trying new things because you're probably going to fast forward through this anyway, right? Please don't watch it. So this is almost cooked down. The moisture is almost out of the vegetables. Just keep it moving. You don't want it to burn. And because I have to, with just a dash of garlic powder, dash of onion powder, just because you don't have to, but the aroma already, you're only making peppers and onions and it smells really good. Okay, so that's just about done. So we're going to kill the heat because it's cast iron, it's still going to stay warm. I'm just going to let that saute up a little bit longer. That's not too hard. So take the pan, take the bowl that you had everything in, put it right back in. Don't dirty another bowl. I'm going to just let that sit there and cool down. It's going to take a little bit longer because it is in a metal bowl. I know that. Just spread them out into a layer and they'll cool down. So we'll be back when that's cooled off. Okay, so we're back. The peppers and onions have cooled down. About 10 minutes or so. About a pound of ground beef. Like I said, this is about a pound of ground beef. I buy this in bulk. Break up the ground beef. So we put our peppers and onions in there. We're just going to eyeball some regular seasoned breadcrumbs. And we have seasoned panko breadcrumbs. A little bit of eyeballing. Okay. Get your hands in there. I'm going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce. Remember, I don't measure things, so it's whatever I think looks good. I'm going to have issues here because my hand is dirty and I didn't open my hands. Alright, I need to rewash my hands so I can open here. No wet hands problem. Okay. Garlic powder. A little bit of that, right? Grab the Italian seasoning. A little bit of that, right? All my favorite seasonings go in. Whatever you like can go in yours. A little bit of Cajun because the boy likes things spicy. Put that in there. I'm gonna throw some Parmesan, a little bit, not a lot, just enough to bring things together. I'm gonna add a little bit more breadcrumbs in there though. Do a bit of little panko. And with my egg, lost my egg. Do 1 egg. Put your hands in there and just smoosh everything together. It's already smelling good, and I need a little bit more regular breadcrumbs. You could definitely have short girl problems. Should do this on the table. Okay, that's coming together very nicely. All right, so my battery, my camera died again. I hate this camera. Anyway, so I had this all plated up in my pan, ready to go. Barbecue sauce topped off and everything. So you missed everything that I just did, making my beautiful loaf. It was so gorgeous. But anyway, let's do this again. But it's going to be better now because I have some more barbecue sauce on it. So again, just take this, right? As I was saying, form your loaf in your pan. Scoop it up, slap it in your cooking utensil, cooking vessel, that's what I called it before. Take your big ass bowl, put it aside. Let's reform our loaf in our pan. This is going to cook at 350 for about an hour or so. Get this nice compact stuck together. Form a beautiful loaf. Seeing that I already put my barbecue sauce on it. I'm not saying the name, but it is a guy and it's sweet and it's good. There's that. Wash your scummy hands. Okay, now oven's gonna go in at 350. 350 preheat. All right, we'll be back. Boy, that's dark. All right, so our loaf needs to go in its sauna. It already looks good. Don't eat raw meat, that's gross. Cook it. It's well done. All right, 350 for about an hour until it's done. See you then. Oh, while we're waiting for that to cook, go down in the comment box area. Let me know how you make your meatloaf, what you put in it. Everybody makes their meatloaf different, right? So this one you can try. It's gonna be good because it has everything you like in it, right? And also, if you're new to my channel, I put out videos whenever I really feel like it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, and if you want, you can hit that thumbs up button. If not, oh well. All right, we'll be back in an hour. Bye. Okay, there's your loaf of meat. Or meatloaf. Let's see if I can get a better light on that. Let's see. I'm going to let that rest in the pan for about 5 minutes. And in the back we have our mashed potatoes going. And yeah, it's dinner tonight. Give this one a try. You seriously want me to try that? Because, you know, it tastes like meatloaf. But I will, because, you know, I can, because I'm the cook. Oh my God. Good stuff. Give this one a try, you guys. You'll like it. Alright. See you around. Take care. Bye.